Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are here at SVA with another sketchbook video. And Molly, how are you, Molly?
Good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Florida, but I live in North Carolina right now.
Awesome, awesome. And what is your dream job?
Probably visual development or maybe storyboarding.
Okay, so we've got your sketchbook. Now, before we look in your sketchbook, it looks really fun, why don't you share, let's share your iPad, like one or two pieces that you did in the perspective class. So this was a homework assignment that Molly just did, and this was our perspective homework assignment for cityscapes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what software did you use to film that? To do that.
In Procreate.
In Procreate. How long did something like that take you?
I think about maybe 7 or 10 hours.
Yeah, and you had fun with it, right?
Yeah, I did. I like the texture.
Yeah, it's really, really beautiful. It's coming through really well.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, I love that piece. And what was the other one that you were telling me? Because this is your perspective folder.
Mm-hmm. I have this one from last week.
Oh yeah.
Then this one as well.
Oh
from
yeah.
my film this year.
I remember that one too. That one's really pretty as well.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, gorgeous. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with everybody on YouTube because, let's see.
I like this one a lot.
Oh yeah, I forgot all about that one. That one is amazing. And there's a beautiful story behind that one of the artist not drawing themselves in the image, but drawing other people. And that is their reflection in the artwork. It's gorgeous. Yeah, that one and the one that you did this week, I like so very much. Now, tell us a little bit, let's start flipping here. So I'm gonna move this right here so I can, okay, good. And so your sketchbook, when do you draw in your sketchbook?
A lot of the times I draw like life drawings of like people just being around and doing people things. Mm-hmm. I do that and then I draw for fun, just like characters.
Okay.
Whenever I'm feeling inspired and want to draw on like paper instead of my iPad.
Excellent. All right, so let's flip slowly, okay? And so I see, you can flip. So what materials do you like to use?
Pen and marker, colored pencils.
And some of these
are these are just like fan art characters.
Okay, fair enough. And the previous two pages, they were drawn on location?
Yeah. This one and this one was from the MoMA at the beginning of the school year.
Oh, nice. I really like that you're injecting color with shape and really solid black shape with gorgeous line. It's really pretty. And it's so very different than your digital stuff. Wow. Okay, so yeah, let's keep flipping. Let's see. So is that like a colored, I can't even see.
These are the color pencils. And these are little sticky notes. Or not sticky notes, but memo pads.
Love it, love it.
And I like these ones.
So playful, and it's amazing how you have these like multiple styles. Like you're going on, sometimes you go really realism, and then sometimes you go really cartoony. Mm-hmm. Interesting.
Sometimes it's hard to find like a balance between the two styles.
Yes.
And then I have a lot of figure drawing from like Figure Drawing Club in here too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
this is from Figure Drawing Club when there wasn't any, the models didn't show up, so we all had to go up in person.
Oh, get out.
And pose.
Oh, get out. I do that with my students in the morning if the model's late. They have fun with it.
I actually really liked it, and I wish there would be more nights like that.
Yeah, it's good to get a perspective of what it's like to be up on that model and stand. Wow. Lots of energy.
Some people were really good at it. I like this page.
Yeah, I like that page so far the most because I just absolutely love the pattern of that person. They're wearing that coat and the shape and the pattern of the delicacy of the chair. Was that at Madison Square Park?
This was also at the figure drawing night.
Oh, it was?
Some people were really good at posing.
It's pretty good. Is that Lily with flip-flops?
No, I think that's somebody else. It would be really funny.
That is hilarious. Okay, gorgeous. I like the composition also on that page. So once again, for me, because I'm a little scatterbrained right now, but you said your dream job is visual development.
Mm-hmm.
And so far here at SVA, you're in fall of second year of college. What has been your favorite part this semester for you at SVA? You can keep flipping.
Okay. Probably perspective class, because it's nice to like have a prompt to draw backgrounds with.
I
Because
see.
sometimes, like if you have your own characters, you can make backgrounds for like where they live or like what their house looks like essentially. But it's nice to have like assignments where you probably want to do something like that on your own, like a city.
Yeah. That's cool. That's really cool. I appreciate that.
Then these were for our animation class. We
So-
did like gestures.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's cool. It's very flowy.
We were doing a dance assignment.
And you had a model?
Yeah, we were doing the animation based on the dance, but to loosen up, she made us she had a little 1 hour gesture
That's cool.
mini class.
These are my favorites. That is my favorite right there. Do you like it?
Hard to see upside down, but I do like
You
it.
can rotate it. You can rotate it. I think it's adorable. Really nice.
I like this one.
Yeah, these have a lot of gesture and movement to them. What was the point of emphasis with that? What was the teacher saying to get y'all to loosen up?
Like flowing, making sure to like have like movement in the gesture. Because we were working on a dance, and there's lots of movement in that.
Yes.
And here's more of that.
Oh, that one's really pretty. I like the way that you drew the bottom of the foot with those like few lines to show that it has like a little shadow.
I struggle with drawing feet, so I try to get better at drawing feet.
And how long ago did you start this sketchbook?
I think it's the September.
Oh, okay.
The 9th.
So
If that might be August. I'm bad with months. The numbers, and then this
Yeah.
was also gesture class. She says that like if you draw it like too fast, you should draw more of the same one.
Interesting. Oh, I like that. That's good advice.
There's some characters
Ooh, that's fun.
for my film. A little early development, I suppose.
So my question to you is like everything here is so fun and loose, and your backgrounds, they're loose too, but in a tighter sort of way. Do you have the time to do the backgrounds that you do in my class for your films? Or you can't because there's not enough time?
I think I'll have enough time. Even if my backgrounds are pretty loose, I'm a relatively like quick drawer from what people say.
Yes.
So I don't feel like it will be too much for me to handle, especially since we have time over the summer to complete stuff.
I see. Now, how long ago did you get your iPad?
I got it before COVID, and I think I got it in 2019.
And okay.
Like Christmas 2019.
Okay, and would you say that you use Procreate a lot?
Yeah, pretty much the only thing I use.
Yeah, so you're really, 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 really good. And I'm noticing that students a lot of people don't like when I say this, but people who work in Procreate on the iPad and they start early, they just are really good. They're really good. You're really good with that stuff. And I just love to see that you're doing more playful, like loose stuff in your sketchbook. So you're really balancing it all out. Like those pieces that you did for my class, they're really phenomenal.
Thank you.
Oh, this is a great page. So marker pen?
Pen, pencil, color pencil in the back. Sometimes after figure drawing, I go and like color stuff in afterwards.
Okay.
Just to add more like color to the page.
Okay. And so second year of college, you can keep flipping.
Okay.
And you like perspective, but like in general, in the 2 years that you've been at this school, like what has been the biggest like revelation for you? What have you been like, oh, okay, this is interesting. I like this a lot.
I don't know in like a bigger, broader sense for what, but I definitely know that I feel like I'm pretty good at visual development and like storyboards, and having people say to me like, "Oh, your layouts are really strong and are really good." It helps me like find like, oh, maybe I would be really good at this thing.
Yes.
And it kind of helps guide me in like one direction.
That's cool. And that is so Pez. I don't
It
know.
is Pez.
Yeah, I know.
In our
I saw,
class.
I didn't see the name, but I saw the drawing and I'm like, oh my God. And then I don't know Robin.
They're our other friend.
Okay. Oh, neat. And these are just character doodles.
These are little character doodles for my film. This is the main character with the little mask.
Awesome.
He doesn't really have a name yet. Like, there's Pez again.
Oh, that is great. And look at those trees. So, wow, we were talking about landscape stuff just in class a second ago. And I just adore when people draw on the Post-it notes, the colored Post-it notes in the sketchbook. It is the funnest of the fun.
I love it. You could cover up drawings you don't like.
Yeah, that too. Absolutely. Oh, and so this one's a little different. You're using a little bit more shape.
Mm-hmm.
I like that a lot.
This was at the airport, and I was in Tennessee for these ones.
Wow.
These aren't my drawings, these are my friends.
Okay. I love those with the shape. You should do more of that.
Mm-hmm. Here's some colorful ones.
Oh my God, I like that older woman with the sunglasses.
She was pretty funny.
Wow.
I like people drawing because I can see all the weird, not weird, but face shapes.
No, you're right. Weird.
Drawing old people is fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
I like doing the wrinkles.
Yeah, I think that's cool. I think that's really cool.
And then here's this one of like I think it was like a shaved ice truck.
From life?
From life in Tennessee.
Nice.
At like an art fair.
Nice. Now, you could rotate. Oh, let's see. Yeah, absolutely. So when did you decide that you wanted to come to art school?
I think I had decided probably during COVID and freshman year of high school. I think a lot of people also had that kind of experience during COVID where they didn't have anything else to do but draw, and all they did was like absorb art content.
Yes.
But
That's beautiful.
I always knew I wanted to like be an artist since I was a kid, watching Adventure Time with like my dad.
Yes, yes.
So I always knew I wanted to be some kind of like animator, work in animation and make cartoons.
That's cool. And is your family, anyone in your family artistic?
My grandfather's is pretty artistic. He has a couple of like drawings, but nothing like professional. My family is actually more musicians, if you think about it.
Okay.
My mom played an instrument, and so does my brother.
Nice. Yeah. Okay.
These are pretty simple.
They're nice. They're very loose and gestural, which is really cool. Awesome. Awesome. So you have nice variety in your sketchbook. And I like that you're using your sketchbook like you're just sketching. It's not like you're trying to make like some people try to make masterpieces in their sketchbook. That would be me. And so it's better just to, just draw and use it for eye-hand coordination and have fun.
And then these were, I stayed in for Mario's gesture class, even though I don't have it this semester.
Yes.
I have it next semester, and it was like a cowboy theme, so I enjoyed that because cowboys are pretty cool.
Yeah. I was just talking with Mario and I had a powwow this morning. It was so much fun.
Apparently, yesterday he had a wizard theme night, and I didn't go.
Really?
Sadly.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
I'm excited for his gesture class next semester.
Yeah, you should be. He's one of the best teachers here, no doubt about it.
I had him for animation.
Oh, you did? So you know. Wow. These are awesome. Lots of movement, lots of really, really good line. And each one of these pages, like how long would you spend on this page?
I don't have it written down, but I usually would for like figures and gestures, but I think these were probably like 5 minutes.
5 minutes each. Good.
It kind of seems about how long it would take me for like these kind of poses.
Yes. I see these stirrups on the cowboy boot. That's pretty fun.
I love stirrups.
Oh, I like your drawings the best when you use these shapes. Like, sorry for the shake, YouTube. Okay, I'm holding the camera a little tighter now. Shape a hat, shape a hair, shadow shape, like that stuff really works for me. Nice.
Then after we did cowboys, we moved on to superheroes. I was trying to go for like really, really buff muscles, but it didn't end up doing like ending up like that. It was more like lean.
That's cool. Okay, I see the superhero.
I wish I had like a little muscle reference book, like with me that class.
Yeah, that's really, we were just talking about some anatomical landmarks in my last classes, and it's really important.
Like I remember from last year, a majority of the muscles, but it's nice to have like an actual book to reference back.
It is, because anatomy is like a language. If you don't speak it, you lose it.
And then the model was kind of doing like Spider-Man poses.
Nice.
And then there's me with Pez again.
Super cool page with the shape. Again, trends. The way that you paint your shapes, you have to incorporate more shapes in your drawings. The best pages that you're showing me here are the ones that have these shapes.
Maybe I'll do more shapy trees.
Yeah.
For this assignment.
Oh,
and these are just my little characters.
Super fun. This is what I like to see, like shape, character design, fun colors, loose sketchy line.
I think I'm almost finished with the sketchbook, and I think next sketchbook I'll try and draw more characters in them.
Yeah.
Because there's usually a lot more characters in my sketchbooks, but I think because I've been using it for gesture drawings, gesture has really been filling it up.
Nice.
And then more characters. I tend to draw characters more on my iPad, but I think drawing it on paper is really helpful.
Yeah, it's good to do both because you're still only in second year, and it's nice to have like tactile versus glass screen, right?
Definitely.
But you're a pro with the iPad.
That's
totally.
It. Everything past this is just like.
Okay. Do you want to, Molly? Do you want to share anything else from your iPad? Like maybe a character?
Let me see.
Let's see. No pressure. No pressure.
Okay.
This is our beautiful classroom while Molly is looking live drawing. They're having something in here this afternoon, and they pushed all the drawing horses to the side. So yeah. All right.
I have some character designs from my pitch Bible from last year.
Yeah, let's just look at one or two. No pressure, because you're so good digitally. So yeah, just okay.
This is my lineup for the 4 characters that were my pitch Bible, and then this was like the turnaround we did for class.
Oh wow, that is fun.
And this was the other character. I didn't do the other 2 because they weren't the most important. And then there are a couple backgrounds I did too.
When did you do that one?
Last year.
Oh wow, so you were already pretty damn good at perspective. Okay.
I tried my best, and I did it like one light on, one light off, so when I put a video together it would flicker, because it's like spooky.
Wait, go back to the other one? Oh, that's cool.
I would show you the video, but it's on my laptop.
All good.
And then I did a spooky one with like a evil creature.
Wow, so I hope you weren't bored to death when we were doing the 1.2.
No.
Okay. All right.
All perspective is pretty fun.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for sharing, Molly. I really appreciate it. Now, where can we find you on social media?
I mostly use Instagram. I'll write the.
You could give it to me after. I'll put it in the description down below. But write it. Go ahead. We'll do something different here.
I typically use Instagram, and I do have a Twitter, but it's not. And this is a 7.
Okay, so -7, not underscore. All right.
Oh, no, wait, underscore.
Underscore. All right, awesome.
There we go.
You're a whiz with that thing. Molly, thank you so much for sharing your sketchbook. I really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you soon, okay?
I hope I can do more sketchbook videos.
You betcha. You're only in second year, so no doubt. Bye, Molly.
Bye.
Thank you everyone for watching, and make sure you give Molly's video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, you got to subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.